Hello and welcome again. There's a city where time slows down, where castles crown the skies and thermal waters whisper secrets from ancient centuries. A city bathed in golden sunsets, where every street feels like a scene from a dream. This isn't Paris. This isn't Rome. This is Budapest, Europe's most breathtaking secret. Let's take you there, not with postcards, but step by step, like a traveler who fell in love and never quite came back. Fisherman's Bastion and Matthias Church. Our journey begins on Castle Hill. As morning light spills over the city, Fisherman's Bastion rises like something carved from a fairy tale, 7 creamy white towers watching over the Danube. Up here, Budapest doesn't just look beautiful, it feels cinematic. Beside it stands the Matthias Church, a kaleidoscope of colorful tiles and Gothic spires. Its rooftop dances with reds, greens, and golds, a crown fit for the Hungarian kings once crowned inside its sacred walls. Stand still for a second, and the bells will echo through your soul. Buda Castle and the Chain Bridge. Just a short walk away, Buda Castle rests like a sleeping giant overlooking the river. It's not just a castle, it's a city within a city. Cobblestone streets, royal corridors, art, history, and haunting legends echoing from room to room. As the day unfolds, walk across the Chain Bridge, the first permanent link between Buda and Pest. Lions guard its gates. And from its center, you see the Danube glowing, with Parliament on one side and magic on the other. Parliament and the shoes on the Danube. On the Pest side, the most majestic sight awaits. The Hungarian Parliament building. It's a cathedral of democracy, a masterpiece of neo-Gothic glory, stretching elegantly along the Danube like it's floating. Domes, spires, 691 rooms of stories. But just steps away, you'll find silence. Along the river, the shoes on the Danube bank sit simple iron shoes, a haunting memorial to lives taken during war. It's quiet here, but the silence speaks. Second eye baths and thermal culture. Budapest isn't just history, it's healing. Below the city runs a secret river, a thermal world that fuels over 100 hot springs. And at the heart of it all, second eye thermal baths. Baroque yellow walls, steam rising like ghosts. Locals playing chess in warm waters as snow falls around them. It's a scene unlike anywhere else on Earth. You don't just relax here, you return to something ancient. Heroes Square and City Park. Step into the grandeur of Heroes Square, where statues tower like titans, honoring Hungary's greatest legends. Each figure has a story, a fight, a purpose. Behind them lies City Park, a lush green kingdom where swan boats glide, and the Budapest Castle peeks out from behind trees, part Gothic, part Renaissance, part dream. It's a fairy tale stitched from every corner of Europe. St. Stephen's Basilica and rooftop views. In the heart of the city, St. Stephen's Basilica stands tall. It's not just its grandeur. It's the way sunlight filters through its stained glass. The hush of footsteps on marble. The relic of Hungary's first king inside. Climb to the rooftop, and you'll see the city unfold like a living painting. Rooftops, riverbanks, bridges, and beauty as far as the eye can see. The Danube cruise at sunset. As evening descends, take to the water. A Danube river cruise at sunset turns Budapest into pure gold. The Parliament glows. Buda Castle shines. Bridges sparkle like necklaces draped across the city. You'll float through a symphony of lights and realize, somewhere between the breeze and the wine, that you're witnessing something eternal. Gellert Hill and the Citadel. For one last view, climb to Gellert Hill. It's steep, but every step brings you closer to the soul of the city. From the top, the Citadel watches over Budapest like a silent guardian. And beneath, the entire skyline stretches like a glowing river of dreams. This is where locals come to breathe, to fall in love, to remember. Budapest isn't just a city. It's a feeling. It's history wrapped in beauty. It's moments stitched into memories you didn't know you were missing. You don't just visit Budapest. You carry it with you, long after you leave. So tell me, when will you start your story here? Let Budapest be your next unforgettable chapter. Subscribe now for more journeys like this, and if this story stirred your soul, leave a comment and share the love. The world is full of wonders, and we're just getting started.